Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Belagali's classes. Belagali's classes. Yes, my friends, I have started with differentiation. Differentiation. We have completed. Just recall of what the derivative or differentiation done at 11th standard or PUC first year. I reminded the derivatives of what? Derivative of constant T0, derivative of x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1. I have written this 1, my friends, here. What is this 1? Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is 1. Actually, no need to write this 1 when it is x. If it is other than x, here, see. What is it? Same formula. D by dx of fx to the power n equal to power into whatever it is. X is x. X, you write. Other than x, you write other than x. To the power 1 less. N minus 1, n minus 1. If it is x, don't write its derivative. If it is other than x, write its derivative. Yes, my friend. When it is x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1, that's all. It is 1 upon x to the power n minus, this is the formula, minus the power upon x to the power n plus 1. My friend, I have not written the derivative of x here, not written. Why? Derivative of x is 1. But in this case, it is other than x. D by dx of 1 upon x fx to the power n, 1 upon fx to the power n. Same formula, minus the power, minus n upon whatever it is. If you write x is x, other than x, you write other than x. In this case, when it is in the denominator, 1 power more, n plus 1. Anyway, it is other than x, write its derivative. I hope my friends clear. X to the power n into x to the power n minus 1. If it is other than x, fx to the power n into equal to what? N into fx to the power n into d by dx of fx, because it is other than x. 1 upon minus n upon fx to the power n plus 1 into derivative of fx, 5 other than x. You know the derivative of root x. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. In that, replace x by fx. So d by dx of root fx, same formula, 1 upon 2 root fx, whatever it is. If it is x, write x, 1 by 2 root x. If it is x, don't write its derivative. If it is other than x, write its derivative. That is the only thing. If it is x, no need to write it as a derivative, because derivative of x is 1 into this is same itself, no need. If it is other than x, my friends, you have to write its derivative. Same, root f, 1 by 2 root f, derivative of f, e to the power f, e to the power n to, what is this? Other than x, right? It's a derivative. Log fx, 1 by fx, pi. Derivative of log x is, derivative of log x is, tell my friend, derivative of log x is 1 by x, my friends. Here, derivative of log fx other than x, as it is first 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by fx, 1 by fx. If it is other than x, write its derivative. Same thing in case of what? Trigonometric functions, my friends. You know, derivative of sin x, cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of tan x, sec square x, derivative of cot x minus cosec square x, derivative of sec x into tan x, derivative of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. Yes, my friends, I told in this case, while writing the derivative of a trigonometric function that starts with letter C, has negative sign, its derivative has a negative sign. Cos, cot, cosec, they have negative. The remaining 3 positive sign. Just I repeated their derivatives. Same thing here. If it is derivative of sin fx, derivative of, my friend, it is sin fx other than x, my friends. What is derivative of sin? You have to put first cos fx into what? Other than x. Other than x means write its derivative of fx. Like this, my friend. If it is cos, minus sin fx into derivative of f. If it is cot, minus cosec square fx into derivative. Like that it is with trigonometric ratios, my friends. It is with exponential function. What is another one? A to the power fx. A to the power fx into derivative of fx. It is what? Other than e into log a, into log a. Like this, my friends, those basic derivatives of algebraic, trigonometric, exponential and logarithmic functions, man, they are the very, very important that you must by heart or you must practice to remember it. Yes, my friends. In between, one more is there. What is it? It is y is a function of u and u is a function of gx. In this case, y is not the direct function. Y is a function of x. Function of functions means more than one comes. It is a composite function of x. Y is composite function of x. In this case, my friends, we have to apply to differentiate a rule called as chain rule. What is that chain rule? In this case, derivative of y with respect to x. In this case, first to differentiate y with respect to u. Why, my friends? Y is a function of u. So to differentiate y with respect to u into u with respect to x, as u is a function of x, my friends. Now, derivative of y with respect to x in case of composite function. First, you have to differentiate y in terms of what? U. Then u with respect to what? X. It is chain rule, my friends. Yes, explained all these things. And we are very much aware, we have practiced, we have done so many examples. Then I have done examples based on what? Composite functions. Making use of the composite functions, I have done direct derivatives of the some functions which are composite, making use of this general formula. Yes, my friends. That everything I have completed. Now what next? Next, the types comes, my friends. Types of functions. Today I am going to start with derivative or differentiation of implicit functions. Implicit, see how the mathematicians start one by one gives implicit functions. Yes, my friends, what we have done so far, we have done the differentiation of the functions where y is purely in terms of x, y equal to fx. So mean you can solve y for x. We can solve y for x. Y is one side, the function of x is other side. In this case, how to differentiate such functions? We know all the methods, my friends. In this case, y equal to sin x. Y is expressed in terms of x. Here also y is expressed in terms of x. You know, in this case, what is derivative? Derivative dy by dx is also denoted by another letter y dash. Y dash is what? Cos x. What about in this case? In this case, y dash is what? 2a 1 power less 2ax plus bx is b. Why? Derivative of kx is k, bx is b. C being a constant plus 0, no need to write. Why? Function remains as it is. If it is 0, no need. Plus 0, no need. We have done all derivatives of such functions. Yes. Now, my friends, here, no, we have to find the derivative of a function not like this. Not like this means where y is expressed in terms of x. Then what is it? If the variable y is expressed purely in terms of x, like this. If the variable y is expressed purely in terms of x, as or such as y equal to fx, then, my friends, y is called explicit function of x. explicit function of x. Yes, my friend. Explicit. Then by this definition we have done so far what? Derivatives of explicit functions. These are known as explicit functions. So derivatives of explicit functions. Means what? We can solve y in terms of x. See here. This is one example. Can you solve it? Yes, sir. It is x minus pi equal to y, or what is this? Y equal to x minus pi, where pi is a constant. Then what is its derivative? Yes, you are aware. Y dash derivative is what? A derivative of x is 1. Yes, my friends. Is it possible in the down example? Can you express y in terms of x? Y in terms of x. Is it possible? Just see, my friend. X plus sine xy equal to y. You wanted y is one side, x is another side. Is it possible to express this sine xy in terms of y separate, in terms of x separate? Is it possible? No, it is not possible. In this case, we say y cannot be expressed in terms of x. What do you mean by that? We can't solve y in terms of x. Y cannot be expressed in terms of x. If the function, I give the definition. If the variable y can't be expressed in terms of x, then y is called implicit function of x. Implicit function of x. Y is implicit function of x. Yes, my friends. In this case, the variables x and y are connected by what? xy, so that y can't be expressed in terms of x. For example, this is 1. What is it? X plus sine xy equal to y, or minus y equal to 0. What is the another example? It is x square plus xy plus y square equal to 0. In this case also, my friends, we can't expect x cube minus 3xy plus y cube or minus y cube equal to 0. Even in this case also what? We can't solve y in terms of x. That is why, my friends, all these are implicit functions of x. In this case, this dependent variable is a implicit function of x. In this case, my friends, where y is expressed in terms of x, in such cases, y is known as explicit function of x. Can be expressed explicit, can't be expressed implicit function of x. Yes, my friends, this is what the definition of what I mean by implicit function. What is implicit function? Again, the fighting or relation is between two variables x and y. One is dependent variable, another is independent variable. If the dependent variable expressed purely in terms of x, y equal to purely in terms of x, function of x, it is explicit. When we are unable to express y in terms of x, we are unable to solve y in terms of x. In that case, what is the relation between x and y? Y is said to be implicit function of x, my friends. Yes. The definition of what implicit function is made clear. What is this, my friend? This is explicit. What is this? They are connected internally. fxy equal to 0, where y can't be expressed. In terms of x. X and y are connected like this. connected like this, where y can't be expressed in this case. Y is said to be implicit function of x. Yes, my friends. What next? How to find the derivative of implicit function of x? Next question is how to find the derivative of implicit function of x. We must find the method. That method is known as differentiation. Yes. In this case, my friends, here, see, xy comes, y comes, y square comes, y cube comes. The terms like y square, y cube, sin y, log y, e to the power y, xy, x square, y cube, like that comes. But what about in this case, ma'am? Always it is y only, y equal to fx. Y, the only one term. Y equal to fx, my friends. Y is the only one. There is no power of y. No powers in this case. Explicit function, there exists what? Y. But we have what? Terms containing x with a power, sin x, cos x, sin x square, sin square x, sin to the power x, 4x, like that, man. We have done. But here we have to do the derivatives where the expressions contains power of what? Other than 1, power of y other than 1. And in general, any function of y, my friends. In general, any function of x, any function of y here, any function of y. Yes, my friends. First, I will explain how to find the derivatives of a function which contains the power of y other than 1. Other than 1 means in general expressions contains what? Function of y. Up to this, function of x. Here, function of y. See, y is a function of x. In this case, what? X may be function of y. X may be function of y. We can express y in terms of what? Y square, y cube, sin y, like that, my friends. Then, first I will explain how to find the derivative other than y. Other than y. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. See. See. My friends, I write it as in terms of note. Note means very important thing to observe it. Note, my friend. Note, my friend. We know that, I write here. We know that. This we know. What is it? Derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x. We can write it as what? Dy by dx. Dy by dx. Next, my friend, what is it? Derivative of y square with respect to x. Derivative of y square with respect to x. Yes, my friends. See. Yes, it is here. What is the derivative of x to the power n? Any power here. Power into x to the power 1 less. It is in case of x. If you treat this as y, so my friends, in this case, if it is a function of y, first, my friend, differentiate y square first with respect to y, then y with respect to x. If it is other than y, my friend, if it is other than y, remember, first to differentiate that other than y with respect to y, then y with respect to x. Y with respect to x. Tell my friend, what is this? This is derivative of y square is 2y. Why? Y square with respect to y is 2y. It is what? X square with respect to x it is. X to the power n with respect to x is what? This. Like that. This with respect to this. Say, my friends. So, if it is other than y, first to differentiate that other than y with respect to y, then y with respect to x into dy by dx. Yes, my friends. Now you can write a series of examples. Y to the power n with respect to x. What is it? I told you first this y cube with respect to y, then y with respect to x. What is this, my friend? This is 3y square into dy by dx. Yes, my friend, I write here. Derivative of sin y with respect to x. I told first you have to differentiate sin y with respect to y, purely y, with respect to x, with respect to y, then y with respect to x. Tell my friend, what is this? Derivative of sin is cos. I told whatever it is you have to write. Is it x? No sir, write its derivative. What is the derivative of what? Dy by x. Like this, my friends. If it is what? Derivative of e to the power y, e to the power y with respect to x. I told you first e to the power y with respect to y first, then y with respect to x. Yes, my friend. E to the power y is e to the power y with respect to the same e to the power y. Then what is this? Other than x, write its derivative. Derivative of y is dy by dx. Like this, my friends. Derivative of log y with respect to x equal to log. What is log? 1 upon whatever it is. Otherwise, I want to write whatever it is y. Then it is not x, write its derivative. Like this, you can write direct, my friends. What is this? Derivative of e to the power 3y with respect to x. Yes, what is it? E to the power 3y first with respect to y, then y with respect to x. Right, friend? E to the power f, whatever it is you have to write. Then its derivative of the power 3 constant into derivative of y is dy by dx. I hope, my friends, how to differentiate a function if it is other than x and other than y. Other than y. Other than y means function of y. So, my friends, derivative of, yes, we can write in the form of what? General rule. What all in this case? Function of y, function of y, function of y. It is also function of y, function of y. Therefore, my friends, in differentiating function of y with respect to x, equal to, first you have to differentiate that function of y with respect to y first, then y with respect to x, From this, my friends, what is clear? If the given function is a function of y, in that case, first the function of y with respect to y, then dy by dx. This dy by dx is there in this case. Dy by dx is there. See, dy by dx is there. Dy by dx is there. Even in this case also what? Dy by dx into dy by dx, dy by dx. My friends, it is the method. To write the derivative of a function which is a function of y. Remember, in differentiating a function of y with respect to x, first we differentiate that function of y with respect to y first, then y with respect to x. Now, my friends, here with this itself, I want to explain one more thing. If it is y, instead of y, my friends, if it is a function of t with respect to x, tell my friends. First, when it is y with respect to y, when it is t, derivative of function of t, if it is t, first to differentiate, my friends, with respect to t, then t with respect to x. See the variable. If it is y with respect to x. If it is t with respect to x. If it is phi with respect to x. Like that, my friends. It is quite simple. It is quite easy. Sir, how it is easy? If the function is other than x, if it is a function of y, friend with friend, function of y with respect to that respective variable y, then y with respect to x. Here I have written other than y. Function of t with respect to x. First t with respect to t, then t with respect to x. Like this, my friends. Remember. Yes, my friends. Observe it. Read once again. once again. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. It is derivative of xy with respect to x. See, my friends, there are two functions. One is a function of x, another is function of y. You know how to differentiate function of x with respect to x, function of y with respect to x. You know the methods. Now you have to apply it. As it is a product, you have to apply product formula. First function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function with respect to x. Right there, derivative. What is it? X into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x is 1. X is 1. On the same lines, while differentiating derivative of, I take, my friend, other than x and y, x square y cube with respect to x. Yes, first function as it is into derivative of y cube with respect to x plus y cube into derivative of first function is x square with respect to x. Yes, friends. Tell. This first function as it is. Yes. Use bracket. First with respect to y, power 1 power less, it is with respect to y. Is it x? No, right, its derivative into dy by dx. Plus y cube into. Now what is the derivative of x square? 2x. Here also you can write it. What is the derivative of x? As the derivative of x is 1, we are not writing this one. We are not writing the derivative. If it is other than x, write its derivative. If it is x, don't write, as the derivative of x is 1. If it is other than x, its derivative is not 1, you have to write it. Derivative of y is dy by dx. It is a simple one, my friends. Be cool and apply it. Yes, I hope it is clear. It is clear. Like that, I take one more here. Yes, sorry, my friends, in between sometimes it happens. Yes, my friend here. Yes, next is derivative of sine xy. Instead of xy only, it is sine xy with respect to x. I told my friends, comes what? Composite. First you have to write the derivative of sine. What is derivative of sine? Cos. Angle you have to write as it is. Is it x? No, sir. Write its derivative. My friends, differentiation is very simple if you understand this simple concept. D by dx of sine xy. First you have to write what is derivative of sine cos. What about this? Keep it as it is. Angle don't touch. Look at the angle. Is it x? No. Other than x means write its derivative. Next. What is this? Cos xy into first function into derivative of second function first plus second function into derivative of x with respect to x is 1. You have to write now direct math. Once again, don't apply this, it becomes unnecessarily lengthy. You must try to understand the concept and try to apply direct. Yes, my friends, like this, the terms comes. If you wanted one more, my friend, it is y equal to, otherwise the derivative of square root xy. Square root xy with respect to x. Tell me. Root f. What is the derivative of root f? 1 by root f, 2 root f. My friend, that formula is dancing here. Derivative of root fx, 1 by 2 root fx. This is your function, 1 by 2, the function as it is. Is it x? No. Write its derivative. Derivative of x. Yes, my friend, what is this? Same thing, bracket. X into derivative of y is dy by dx. Plus y into derivative of x is 1. X with respect to x. This is the derivative of this. Yes, my friends. While doing the derivatives of implicit functions, we get the terms like this. All these are the particular cases to make it what? Differentiation of implicit functions. Explained all these concepts separate in the beginning itself to make what? The things clear. If the way is clear, the things are good. Yes, my friends. Now I will come to some rules. How to find the derivative of implicit functions. Some rules to find the derivatives of implicit functions. I write in this corner. Rules to find the derivatives of implicit functions. Yes, my friend, rules to find the derivative of implicit functions. Yes, my friend, here I write what? This one example already I had written. Here it is x square. Otherwise I take one more. It is this now. X square plus xy minus y square equal to 0. Yes, my friends. It is an implicit function because we can't express y in terms of x. Therefore, it is an implicit function. Y is an implicit function of x. I will explain the rule. Those rules I will apply on this example. Then the concept becomes more clear. Yes, my friend. First rule. Differentiate the given function in the form of equation. Here, given function in the form of equation with respect to x. Yes, my friends. Then what is that rule? First rule. Differentiate the given function which is in the form of equation with respect to x. Yes. Differentiate, my friends, this with respect to x. Derivative of first x square with respect to x. My plus derivative of xy with respect to x minus derivative of y square with respect to x equal to 0. Oh, my friends, what is this? First rule. What is that first rule? Differentiate the given function which is in the form of equation with respect to x. Yes, I write its derivative. Plus. What is this, my friends? Derivative of xy, product formula. X into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1. What is this? Derivative of second term minus derivative of y square, my friends. Y square first with respect to y into dy by dx. This comes, man, don't forget. After writing the derivative of y square with respect to y, write into dy by dx equal to 0. What is this? First rule is applied. What is second rule? Simplify and solve for dy by dx. Otherwise, you simplify and collect the terms containing dy by dx one side, remaining means what? Free from dy by dx. Remaining means other than dy by dx. Remaining other side. Read, my friends. Simplify and collect the terms containing dy by dx one side. Remaining means what? Other than dy by dx, other side. Simplify this first. It is 2x plus x into dy by dx minus y into 1 minus 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. Tell my friends, what is the instruction? Collect the terms containing dy by dx minus 2y into dy by dx equal to, remaining means what? This. This becomes minus 2x. This becomes minus y becomes plus y. See, my friend, there are two terms containing dy by dx one side. There are two terms which are free from dy by dx other side. Simplify once again. Third, we have collected. This is third step. Once again simplify and solve for dy by dx. Solve means dy by dx one side, remaining other side. Solve for dy by dx. Yes, my friend. Simplify means, my friend, you have to take what? Dy by dx common. X minus 2y into dy by dx. It is the meaning of what? Simplify. Here you can take minus outside. It is 2x minus y. Solve for dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to minus 2x minus y. Down is x minus 2y. See, my friends. What is this? You wanted dy by dx. What is dy by dx? It is minus 2x minus y upon x minus 2y. No, sir, we want to simplify. Write the same as y. Y minus 2x upon this. That's also correct. Yes, my friends. These are three rules to find the derivative of what? Implicit functions. What is the first rule? Differentiate the function which is in the form of equation with respect to x. Means each term with respect to x. Yes. Write the derivative. What is second? Simplify and collect the terms containing dy by dx one side, remaining other side. Yes, my friend. Then you solve for dy by dx. This is the method of finding the derivative of a function in case of implicit functions.
Plus y by simplification first.
Yes, my friends. If you take minus outside, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Yes, my friend. This is minus. What is it? 2x minus y. Here, x minus 2y. X minus 2y into dy by dx. X minus 2y into dy by dx, it is minus. So dy by dx is minus 2x minus y upon x minus 2y. It is correct. Okay. Next, my friends. Next example. Yes. Next example is, my friends, these examples to your what? Annual exam, board exam will appear under 2-mark question. Yes, my friends. Next example is, yes, find dy by dx. Next example is find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if now it is y plus sin y equal to cos x It is there in the model question paper 5 PUC board. Same thing, my friends. Same thing. First step, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of first term plus derivative of second term sin y with respect to x equal to what is this? Derivative of cos x with respect to x. You know what is derivative of y? Dy by dx plus function of y with respect to y, derivative of sin with respect to y is cos y into other than x, write its derivative equal to derivative of cos c means minus, cos is sin x. Yes, my friend. Dy by dx one side, other than other side it is as it is. Dy by dx is common 1 here. If you take dy by dx common, you are left with 1 plus cos y equal to minus sin x. Then you solve for dy by dx. Solve for dy by dx. It is minus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. Minus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. My friends, it is dy by dx. In this example, they ask simple examples as they come under what, my friends? 2 mark questions. Normally 2 mark. Okay? Yes, my friend. Next one. Find dy by dx if ax plus by square equal to cos y. It is appeared question. It is appeared question in March 2017 of what? Karnataka State PU Board. Karnataka State PU Board. Yes, my friends. Yes. It is again implicit. First step is what? Differentiate with respect to x. I write derivative of k fx is what? That constant is out. Otherwise, you can write direct what? Derivative of kx is k. What is derivative of ax? I write one step first. It is derivative of ax with respect to x plus b into derivative of y square with respect to x equal to derivative of cos y with respect to x. My friend, the derivative of kx is k, ax is a plus power is 2 into b, k into n, 2 into b, 1 power less, y to the power 1 less, into what? Derivative of y with respect to x. Why, my friend? It is other than x. Other than x means you write its derivative equal to cos c minus derivative of cos is sin y. Once again, function of y means dy by dx. Otherwise, it is other than x. Write its derivative. Yes, my friends. Collect one side. It is 2by into dy by dx. This minus becomes plus. Sin y into dy by dx equal to this plus a becomes minus a. It is the only one term other than dy by dx. Dy by dx is common. Yes, my friend, it is 2by plus sin y equal to minus a. Therefore, dy by dx equal to it is minus a upon 2by plus sin y. 2by plus sin y. What is this? dy by dx. My friends, I will explain once again. Listen, dy by dx in case. First, differentiate derivative of first plus derivative of second plus derivative of RHS. It is for the safer side. Write this step. Supporting. Kx is k, ax is a plus power into constant. Power into constant 2by into dy by dx equal to derivative of cos is minus sin y into dy by dx. Derivatives containing one side other than other side. Common, simplify, common. 2by plus sin y equal to minus a. So dy by dx is minus a about this. This is the wanted dy by dx. Dy by dx. One parallel example, my friends. You do it yourselves. DIY. Do it yourselves. This is 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. Very simple example, equal to sin x. Next, my friends. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Dy by dx. Now I remove this. Now you are very much used to it. Rules. Yes. Find dy by dx if root x plus root y equal to root a at the point 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Yes, my friends, differentiate this with respect to x. Derivative of root x with respect to x plus derivative of root y with respect to x equal to derivative of root a with respect to x. Yes, my friend, general formula is there. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. If it is other than, derivative of root fx is 1 by 2 root fx into derivative of fx. Yes, my friend. Root x, direct 1 by 2 root x. It is other than 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx. What is this, my friend? Constant 0. You know at 1 by 4, put direct values. Don't simplify. Put x equal to 1 by 4 and y equal to 1 by 4. Y equal to 1 by 4. Is it correct? Yes. It is 1 by 2 into square root 1 by 4. Otherwise, I write here itself, my friend. It is root x. Root x is 1 by 2 and root y. Root y is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Yes, I write direct, my friend. What is root x? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into root y into dy by dx equal to 0. Friend, cancelled. 1 by 1. 1 by 1. L. It is also cancelled. Plus 1 by 1 into dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx is this plus 1 you can shift to the right hand side. It gives minus 1. My friend, I explained once again. This is the given function, implicit function. Differentiate derivative of first plus derivative of second equal to derivative of this RHS. Root x formula, root y formula, other than x, write its derivative. Constant derivative is 0. The friend wanted at the given points. X is 1 by 4, y is 1 by 4, root x is 1 by 2, root y is 1 by 2. Substitute here. 2 into root x plus 2 into root y into dy by dx. Simplification. 1 plus 1 into dy by dx is 0. So dy by dx is plus 1, shifting that side. gives minus 1, minus 1. Yes, my friend. Next one, next one. All right. Next one. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. dx. Find dy by dx. If xy plus y square equal to tan x plus y, tan x plus y, this is separator, tan x plus y, tan x plus y. Yes, friend. Yes, friend. What is the first step? Differentiate as it is with respect to x. Yes. Differentiate with respect to x. I write, this is a supportive step, my friends, instead of writing direct. Derivative of xy with respect to x plus derivative of y square with respect to x equal to, there are two terms, derivative of tan x with respect to x plus derivative of y dy, derivative of y with respect to x. My friend, product, apply product formula, x into, I write direct, derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of first term x1 plus other than y first with respect to y. It is easy, x square is 2x, y square is 2y, right? Into, if it is other than x, write its derivative equal to tan x, derivative is x square x plus derivative of y is dy by dx. Yes, my friend. Collect the terms containing dy by dx one side. What is the method? Collect the terms containing dy by dx one side, other than dy by dx other side. Yes, my friend. What is this? It is a term containing dy by dx. No. What is this? It is a term containing dy by dx. There is one more term in RHS, bring to LHS, equal to, what is this? Sec square x plus y becomes minus y, dy by dx is common. This is x plus 2y minus 1, dy by dx is taken common from all these three terms. Write RHS. What is it? It is sec square x minus 1. Solve for dy by dx. Last step. Solve for dy by dx equal to sec square x minus y. Denominator x plus 2y. X plus 2y minus 1. X plus 2y minus 1. This is the dy by dx of this function. My friends, once again, first, second, third, fourth. Write derivative. Apply product formula. Implicit other than y. First with respect to y square with respect to y is 2y, then y with respect to x, y other than x, right? It's a derivative with respect to x. Tan x, derivative of y. Collect one side, other side common. Solve for x. Simple. So, my friends, if you go step by step, the examples are very, very simple. Very, very simple. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. My friends. Yes. Yes. Okay. Remaining examples means still few more are there. Those examples I do it in the next video. My friends, thank you very much. Thank you very much.